Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. And I want to ask you guys a question. How many airports do you think Jamaica needs? How many international airports? Now currently Jamaica has 3 international airports. This airport, the Sangster International Airport, the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, and the Ian Fleming International Airport in Ocho Rios. Now, the government has plans to build 3 more international airports in Jamaica. One in Negril, and they've actually started the planning for that one. They did a master plan. It will be in Little London, Westmoreland, which is basically Negril. They plan to build an airport at Vernon Field in Clarendon, which will be a major logistics hub, air cargo, flight training school. And they plan to build an airport in Port Antonio, the Ken Jones Aerodrome. They plan to upgrade to an international airport. Now, they have a few aerodromes, like the Tinson Pen Aerodrome, but that will be closed and the facilities, all the services move to the Norman Manley International Airport. So guys, what do you think? How many airports do you think Jamaica needs? Now, the busiest airport is this airport, the Sangster International Airport. You could add up the traffic for all the other airports in Jamaica and it wouldn't come close to what this airport, that wouldn't come close to the amount of traffic or passengers that use this airport. This is the largest and busiest airport in Jamaica. Up to 6 million passengers a year pass through this airport. And it's also the 3rd busiest airport in the Caribbean. So this is in Montego Bay. So I think another airport should be built, which is the Negril International Airport, because it's a tourist area and it would help alleviate. This airport is soon going to be at capacity. Montego Bay is a built-up area and there isn't a lot of land around the airport for expansion. So the Negril International Airport is needed. It would Negril is a major tourism hub or town in Jamaica. Negril, Montego Bay, and Ocho Rios are the 3 busiest tourist areas in Jamaica. So all 3 should have an international airport. Now the question is, and guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Should they build an airport at Vernon Field, and should they build an airport in Port Antonio? So guys, leave your comments in the section below. Now I think 4 international airports will be enough. And this would assume that they expand the runway at the Ian Fleming International Airport so that it can land all commercial size planes. Once that is done, then I think Jamaica would only need 4 international airports. The Sangster International, Negril International, Norman Manley International, and the Ian Fleming International Airport. And then what you would need is highways connecting these airports to other places in Jamaica. Almost everywhere you go where you have a major international airport, you have a highway leading directly to the airport. Once Jamaica does that with those 4 airports, I think that would be enough. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And if Jamaica was to go to a 5th airport, I would say Vernon Field, because the space that is available at Vernon Field, you could do so many things out there. But as of now, I think 4 international airports will do. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.